No, I know this. How about this? How about this? You let me give my speech and I'll leave you right after this meeting, okay? I promise you will do that, okay? I was saying this has been an especially demanding week here. And I know that you and your staff have been working around the clock to help local families and communities recover from Sunday. What I was trying to say was that I appreciate the fact that you're here, Mayor. I know it's been a demanding week for you after the devastating storm you had to deal with on Sunday. I want to thank you for all you've done to bring us all here together today and to ensure that this conference is a success. To celebrate and
we have a choice, folks. We have a choice of addressing very important issues, or we have a choice of coming together as a community to address the issues of youth violence. We have a critical moment here.
Intervene at the first sign of risk. I was saying, talking about the things that Mayor Irate has done, intervening at the first sign of risk, providing rehabilitation, and police officers, of experts and passionate citizens alike.
Please don't harass our peace advocates. Please don't harass our peace advocates.
We're counting on enduring commitments of parents, practitioners, and police officers, of experts and passionate citizens alike, from all backgrounds and walks of life, to take a special interest in this work, to reach out to both adults and years ahead for our children and for our great country. We must realize that one of the things that we have to realize is that the futures of our younger citizens.
Solidarity is not a crime. Hey, Hoder, you crossed the line. Solidarity is not a crime. Hey, Hoder, you crossed the line. Solidarity is not a crime. Hey, Hoder, you crossed the line. Hey, Hoder, you should know. That's our exit got to go. Hey, Hoder, you should know. That's our exit got to go. Hey, Hoder, you should know. Attacks on activists got to go. Hey, Hoder, you should know.
While Tracy Mom was talking with Attorney General Hoder, I did talk with both Senators Franken and Klobuchar. And Senator Klobuchar, when I asked her if she knew what this issue was that we're talking about in the demonstration and so on, if she knows what it's about, she said, I certainly do. And I've submitted some questions to the Judiciary Committee. She gave me her aide gave me a card to contact the aide and find out if they get responses to these judiciary questions. And Senator Franken, when I asked him if he knew what this concern was being expressed was about, and he said yes, he did. And he was very grumbly and deadpan, and I talked with him briefly, and he was very grumbly. And that's what I know. And then Tracy came out of the meeting with Eric Hoder, and I think
That man knows that there is a movement to stop these charges against
Yeah.